fancy.
Wow. Yay.
So this is at the forefront. Now we're gonna have your, where's
Wow.
your what's it called? Logo?
Oh, you have what I showed you last night. I don't have one, Lisa.
Oh, okay.
We
You
can.
had a crescent. You had like a
The one I texted you. The one I texted you.
yeah. It had a type of circle.
Yeah.
It
Something
looked
like that. It
yeah.
was something like that.
And then it said, "What's your choice?" No. What's your font name?
The suit stuff, whatever.
Oh, sans serif.
Yeah.
Let's do.
Serif font.
Huh?
Play. Feel free to play.
Which one is this? Is yours? Sans serif?
The serif one.
Serif.
But I'm open to play. You know, you got an eye, and I'm very quick on it, and I'm not complicated on this stuff. As far as
Okay.
if it looks good, then I'm good. I don't. Oh, look at that! I like that.
You do?
I do.
Okay, great. Then let's do.
It's highlighted with a circle, and it's out in the open where it's more visible.
Let's minimize this one now. Oh, wait. We might not even need that one.
If you think one like a circle with a little bit like a double circle or something is good or whatever, we can play.
Okay.
Yeah, play. Just you feel free to play.
Oh, that's nice.
You like it?
What were your colors?
Blue, blue, gold, beige, cream.
Oh, that's yellow. Gold. Okay. Let's go
Beige,
back.
green.
Beige, green. What kind? Like muted tones or vibrant tones or?
Well, I like vibrant, but vibrant I think is gonna. I don't want to get. I don't know if we want to get loud. I don't know if that was the because I would actually go. I actually go for like the royal blue. The I go for bold colors, but I can't get everything bold in there.
Oh yeah, look like a fire truck.
Exactly. I like what you're creating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Group. Wow, this looks very corporate.
It does. I was gonna say, should it go under point, like that section?
Oh, it looks like it's lonely.
Is it just a little bit too far away? I like it on the side and kind of underneath. Maybe a little closer?
Yeah. Well, you see, I'm paying attention to those like vertical lines and stuff.
Oh.
Grade 10. Oh, there's too close.
Oh, you try to put property solutions inside of it as well. I think that brings balance to the.
Hmm.
Uh,
Oh, why is it like that?
uh
It looks so nice.
It does. It really does.
I don't hate that.
No, no.
Okay, let's delete. What's your tagline?
I have to decide. I've had a few. Where is it? There's your peace of mind starts here. Real answers, no pressure. A way forward. Let's solve this together.
What about your peace of mind starts now?
Oh yeah, yeah. It starts now better than here. Yeah, yeah. Your peace of mind starts now. Oh, that's perfect. I like that.
And then it leads them into the action.
Yeah. And yeah, not necessarily want the foreclosure on there because there could be probates that are in foreclosure.
Mhm.
Oh, Isa, yeah, it's looking really good.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look what you're doing. Wow. Oh,
Do you see why I'm doing everything? I'm
Oh.
doing it.
yeah. I'm watching what you're doing.
Okay, good. I wonder why this is. Okay. How about that?
I love it. It's
Yay!
beautiful. It's beautiful, Isa. It's outstanding.
Okay, good.
It's excellent.
Bridgepoint Property Solutions.
Look. Oh, yay.
This crescent, it's interesting, and
Do you feel like we need something different?
no, I was thinking of a bridge, but I don't want to.
Oh, right. Yeah, no, I thought about that too. I thought about a bridge because this bridge point is going to kind of, because people are in a transitional stage, you know,
Do you like this transition to this?
to gray.
Yeah, it's like a purpley gray.
Yeah, no, I was looking more at the format. I wasn't really sold on the colors. Gray is kind of, stale and cold,
Yeah. Okay.
especially in a setting like this because they need a little bit of life because it's stressful.
Mm-hmm. There's the colors. Oh. Let's do colors. We can go to white and do. Oh no, that's weird. Whoa.
Wake up, world.
Mm-hmm.
The black is kind of a cool contrast.
Mm-hmm.
Black is definitely much better than gray. It's just.
You see what I'm doing now? How I'm like, really now just adding your fonts and making sure the colors are just, like to your brand right now. So I'm just going in, changing things to white, changing things to your font. I'm ungrouping things. You can group them to save the placement.
I don't have featured properties, but so
Oh.
that
No, we're not doing the featured properties, but I'm just
Okay.
changing the things to your.
right.
So with this one, do you have a like a little bio? Like, I usually. Oh, your value proposition. What's your value proposition?
I got it. Okay, so I help homeowners avoid foreclosure by presenting fast, flexible solutions that relieve the financial pressure, protect their credit, and allow them to move forward without the weight of uncertainty.
Wow.
My philosophy, I don't know if that's something that I believe no one should face foreclosure alone or feel like their only option is giving up everything.
Let's add that. right here.
Okay.
I believe
No one should face foreclosure alone or feel like their only option is giving up everything. Period. My approach is grounded in transparency, speed, and a win-win mentality.
my what? Sorry, giving up everything. My
Okay, period. And then my approach is grounded in transparency, comma,
mhm.
speed, and a win-win mentality, where your peace of mind comes first. Dash.
Mhm.
Even if that means not doing a deal. I don't know if I want to say a deal. Doing business, buying your home. I don't want to say a deal. That sounds real. I don't want to say sneaky or it's just
Even
too,
if
it's too
even if that means
not. I want to say not doing business. I think you know what I'm trying to lean toward. I'm just having the last words are a little bit. Even if that means not doing.
let's leave that for now.
Okay.
IBM. Okay, so your body text is going to be like IBM Flex Serif. Your headliners are Adirect Serif. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we need a profile picture. Where'd it go? Okay.
Glam AI video, Glam AI video, Glam AI ink. Get your dream. Is it the makeover one type thing? Get your dream make.
I sent you a screenshot.
Yeah, you did. Oh.
So see, I put your case studies here that you were talking about.
Oh yeah, I can fill every one of those slots with a case study.
Mm-hmm.
I think you put 6.
Mm,
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I did 3.
yeah, do your top 3.
Okay.
And what is the process?
For like which one? What do you mean? Okay, so tell me what you're thinking. Like what?
Step 1.
In which there's so many areas that my brain goes to. Easily. Like what aspect? Like for a seller, in foreclosure.
Oh, okay. Let's put
I have
foreclosure.
now. This is where I have my steps that I can remember. I told you I had a bunch of content that I have. I might be able to have a step by step here that I can reference.
Actually, let's do foreclosure. You'll talk about foreclosure here. What is the other aspect of your business?
Foreclosure, probate.
Probate.
I have like what things to know.
Oh, here, FAQs, right?
Right, facts, yeah.
Okay, so I'll put the FAQs here, and then contact there. for case studies.
Where would I have an intake form? Because the intake form would be very, because some people, I'm thinking
So
with
intake form, you're going to have a link here. Do you want them? Let's see. Why work with us? Okay, the action here can be. Yeah, and get in touch. Tell us about